As we carve our path into this forest, opening space for a new homestead, we're not just building walls and a roof. We're shaping a place meant to breathe. A home not just for us, but for the wildlife that belong here too. I'm already planning what to bring. Plants with stories, flowers that welcome pollinators, textures and colors that invite birds to linger and bees to dance. "22 years ago, I built dreams into this soil. Each seed became a marker of time, a companion to the years unfolding around it. Today I walk this old garden like flipping through a well-loved book. Every plant I started here. Some I nursed from a tiny seed. Others were rescued from the edge of gravel pits, roadside ditches, unlikely places where green dared to persist. All of them have grown into the fertile soil that I built over time and have thrived in this nurtured environment. Now I walk this garden cataloging more than just plants. I'm taking stock of memories. So I take inventory, not just of plants, but of the stories. The hosta that was left to die now has the most beautiful golden foliage brightening up the dark corner. The willow tree that fought against all odds after being uprooted for an entire winter, we carried it home and gave it a chance to live. The wildflowers from the roadside ditches, brought to new and healthy soil and given care, showed their true colors. Now comes a choice. What will join me on this next chapter? I'm creating cuttings like promises, making air roots like quiet preparations, collecting seeds to hold on to wisdom. This new homestead will not be a duplicate. It will be a continuation, an echo. I'll carry with me what survived, what thrived, what insisted, and what we love. There are also half-acre plots waiting for dreamers, people like me, people like you, folks who crave tranquility, who want to create something rooted and real. Bring your own seeds, bring your own stories, build your own future with your hands in the dirt, alongside of others who believe in doing things differently. So here begins the transplant, not just for us, not just for roots, shoots, and seeds, but for a legacy of intention. The new homestead awaits, and it will grow wild with old memories while creating new ones.